Good afternoon and welcome to this video interview for the International Security Journal. Today I'm pleased to be with Mohamed Saleh, the Systems and Consultancy Manager with SIRA here in Dubai. So welcome.
Thank you.
So there's a lot going on at the moment in the industry. So within the industry, what are the challenges and opportunities that you foresee?
The challenges is changing with the time, especially with the technology changes and all the new things coming up. With every new technology, there will be some challenges for sure. But you can overcome it, especially now with the new industrial, with the committees coming up and standardization globally on some of the product, on some of the protocols that is used, which help the system to talk to each other. Previously, if you'll use like a company A brand cameras and the recorders and you will try to connect another camera, it won't work because it's a separate protocol, separate technologies. Now all of them is following OMVIF, code S or code code S now is the newest one. So they are following that. So you can mix and match whatever is suitable for your needs. Chances is big because now they stopped of the old technologies of only focusing on the hardware itself. Now most of the companies is focusing more on the software, which in real, that's what's doing the job, because the hardware is just a sensors. It will take the photo, will convert it to a signal, and it will send it to the receiver, which will record it. But the real work is happening in the software, which will record it, which will analyze it, will give you the alarms, will give you the statistics. A lot of benefits now you are getting of that softwares, where everybody now start focusing on that.
And thank you. And from what I understand, SIRA is heavily involved in leading the industry, driving new standards, and have done some amazing work in bringing a very cohesive group of, I guess, integrators and suppliers together towards a common goal. What can we foresee in the future? How is SIRA going to keep this momentum driving for the industry?
I'll go back a little bit in the time. SIRA started as a Department of Protective System in 1999 and came up with the first law in 2005, where it studied the market, studied the availability and the needs of the state of Dubai, that yes, Dubai need this requirement in order to secure the important shops and places. Based on that, the regulation were put. We try to accommodate all of the requirement from different aspects, from CCTV, from alarm, from security guarding, from money transfer, how to secure that, cars, how to put the procedure for them. And we started implementing it and following up, especially with the auditing after that. So based on what we read from the market and the development of the technology, we do develop our requirement, keeping in mind that we don't want to shock the market with a heavily required or a new requirement that will cost even the investor a lot. So we do balance between that, like we don't compromise the security and we don't take it over required. So we keep it balanced. So it's like a win-win situation for us and for the investors. So after that, we came in 2008 and we announced the new requirement. We added some more categories under the law, and then we stopped from 2008. We kept the same requirement. There was some amendment, some small things, but we kept it until 2019. We changed it because during this period, the technology was changing from analog to IP. IP was still expensive, not much saturated, development is ongoing. So at that time, if we announce the regulation and then we don't want to keep changing it, so we want it stable, smooth for the industry. So we were doing the necessary by amendment, and waiting for the right moment. In 2019, we have announced the new law. Until now, it's the same one. So where we give converted from the normal TV lines to full HD cameras, either IP or for some categories that doesn't require that much of number of cameras to keep them on even analog HD. It will give me the same quality. So why to cost them more? Keep it. My requirement is met. That's enough for me. And we do keep following the technologies.
And so what can we expect in the future? More integration, more sort of open source or open architecture? What can we expect in the future?
Future, I can expect that more integration will be happening, especially on the software side, because at the beginning, like the number plate recognition, for example, each software was running by itself. But here, like in Dubai, under SIRA, we have different many softwares, different companies supplying the systems. But at the end, everything is collected under one umbrella, one software that's collecting all the data, which means we do have an integration for that system. Same thing is going to happen with the facial recognition. If you will see in the market now or here in Intersec, it's a big chance for the people to see the technologies and the development. You will see that a lot of platforms start integrating different facial recognition software to their platform. So either by SDKs or by APIs. So there is a language that they can talk through. So the difficulties in choosing the system or having separate systems or different system in different location and control them from one location slowly is going out of the focus. Now everything is possible. Even if it's not ready, it will be ready. The companies are ready to do that integration, are ready to develop themselves. Looking forward to have more and more in their softwares. So they do work on that one. And even the manufacturer is chasing the same path, that why shall I be alone? Why shall I focus on my product that they need to use my software? And no, let them work with others. That's not an issue, because that will give me a share of the market. At the same time, they are using different software, but still I'm in the market. I'm not out because that my market is closed or my software is closed or my algorithm. Because the challenge in facial recognition, especially the algorithm. Each company or each software is having their own algorithm in order to detect the face or to identify it. Yes, it's all a picture, but how they identify the face and the metadata is created to compare it for another photo. Here's the difference. That's why the different software is not talking to each other. So if I get in site A X software and site B Y, I cannot connect X to Y and Y to X. I'll need a platform. Even this platform is not really saturated for that, because we do have a lot of companies for the facial. So now most of the companies is focusing on that role, that the platform that can collect, because for the user at the end, they want something reliable, something easy to use, friendly use. One platform, I can receive everything and I can search everything from one place. I don't want to go and jump from here and there just to get my result. So the integration will be huge with the IoTs, with a lot of things is going on.
Look, Thank you very much for your insights into SIRA and the future. Thank you again for your time, Mohamed, and I wish you a great day.
You are welcome, and it was a pleasure to meet you and speak with you, and hopefully we'll see you again.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.